All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, November the 5th. I am on my way. Well, I'm about to go to the airport. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going on a cruise, but I'm leaving out of New Orleans. So that's where I'm headed now. I have all my stuff packed. I got this big old bag over there and then my carry-on bag. I'm just excited. I had everything packed for like 2 weeks at this point, waiting on this. This morning I went to go get my rapid test. So I'm just waiting on those results. But I'm very excited. You can see the glow. So excited, y'all. This is a much needed break. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can during this trip. I want you guys to be there with me, to feel like you're there with me, give you guys the real. And I'll keep you guys updated when I get to the airport. So bye. Okay, good morning, y'all. I'm finally awake. I'm refreshed. I got some good sleep, so I'm ready to get the day started. It is 7:26. So just a little bit about yesterday. I was supposed to get into New Orleans at 4:30, and my flight got delayed like 5 times. So I ended up getting into New Orleans and at my hotel around like 11, an hour behind like Eastern Standard timing. The chance to actually see the city, I didn't get to go because it was just too much. I want to get into bed and go to sleep. So my plan right now is to go downstairs, get some of the breakfast. They serve. I'm actually not that far from the port of New Orleans, so I think I'm going to just walk. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish getting dressed and I'll get back with you guys when I'm outside, because we outside, baby. y'all, so I just left Cafe Beignet. I believe I said it correctly, and it was so good. I took 2 to go. I also had a bacon, egg, scrambled egg, and Swiss cheese on a croissant. So I'm all refreshed. Like I said earlier, I'm just walking around. It's actually a cool vibe. So y'all, this is my cabin for the next 5 days. So I got some of my water delivered to my room. Okay, it's me, the queen. Some more water. Got a nice big king size bed. A couch over here. I got some, let's find some lighting. Closet space. Okay, more. It's a lot of closet space. This is some shelving. Okay, like this. Okay, standard bathroom. Got some like shelving and stuff too. So, okay, some towels and stuff. TV on my balcony. right, y'all. Hey, so I just got back to my cabin. The getaway party was so fun. Having a blast. I'm on my 4th drink. I'm lit. Get out the shower. I actually have reservations at 7 o'clock at the steakhouse, ready and stuff, but I just want to show you guys, like, for the last 2 hours I've really been just like organizing my room. For the most part I feel pretty relaxed. I have about 30 minutes until my reservation, and I'm so excited about the steakhouse. Of course, meal, and you also get a free bottle of wine on your first stay. So if you guys do book with Carnival and you book the steakhouse on the first night, you do get a free bottle of wine. I brought my own free bottle of wine. However, more free bottles of wine. Like, look at this. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful, honestly.
Good evening, welcome. Hallelujah, hallelujah.